Hashtag Destination para updated ka sa aking next destination. Rise and shine!
Good morning, you wonderful one. Good morning.
Siyempre, important meal of the day ang ating breakfast.
Good morning, sunshine. How was your night? I hope you slept well and everything's alright. Let's start this day with a...
First on the list, boiled egg. Siyempre, ang aking mga supplements is on the list. To add protein, taho kayo dyan. It's time to hit the gym. Thank you, Coach Eugene. I enjoyed the program. Nakakapagod pero sulit. Sabi nga, it's time to back to basic. For a healthy living, let our food our medicine and let our medicine our food. Set 2. Habang tumutulo ang pawis, pakiramdam ko, palakas ako ng palakas. Set 3, nangihina pero lalo kong nawiwili. Pakiramdam ko after work, ito ang kukumpleto sa araw ko.
Yeah. Lights up. It's time to grind where the weights align and I clear my mind. I am playground where I break my chains. Every rep I take, I'm building my name. Hit the gym like it's my second home. Sweat on the floor where my hustle's grown.
Set 4, hindi pa titinag. Push your limits. It's a mind over matter experience. Sa gym, wala kang talo. Mapagod ka man, sa'yo mapupunta ang benefits nito. And this is my transformation journey. Hanggang sa muli, mga ka-hashtag Destination.